Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn how to attract an Aries individual. If you want to win over an Aries, do not be shy. Boldness is key whether you are interested in an Aries man or woman. From the start, let them know how much you admire them. Aries individuals appreciate compliments and won't think you are too forward as long as your praise is sincere. Be careful not to overdo it, though, because they can easily detect insincerity. Aries people see themselves as intellectuals, so do not just appeal to them on a physical level. Engage them in lively discussions about theatre, music, politics, history, art, or philosophy. They enjoy conversations that stimulate their minds. A great idea for an early date is attending a sporting event. Aries are enthusiastic sports fans, and if you are not familiar with the game, let them explain it to you. They will make the experience interesting and exciting. Before an important date with an Aries, make sure to rest up. Aries are not clock watchers and their energy often lasts into the early morning hours. They seem to gain momentum while others are running out of steam, so be prepared for a long and exciting night. Do not hesitate to bring your problems to an Aries. They love being asked for advice and are generous with their time, counsel, money, and sympathy. Plus, Aries always have a clear idea of what should be done in any situation. You can expect straightforward, no-nonsense answers from them. It's crucial to remember never to try to dictate to an Aries. They do not respond well to taking orders. If you have an idea you want them to consider, present it in a way that makes them feel it was their own idea. This approach will be much more effective and will keep the relationship harmonious. In summary, to attract an Aries, be bold and sincere in your admiration, engage their intellect, share exciting activities, and seek their advice. Respect their independence and subtly guide them to see your perspective. By doing these things, you will capture the heart of an Aries and enjoy a dynamic and passionate relationship. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to seeing you in other videos. Until then, goodbye. Namaste.